Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you Perchance AI Image-to-Image tutorial for beginners. Perchance AI is a free AI-powered platform that lets you create high-quality images and videos from simple prompts. You can generate images from text, create videos from text prompts, and even transform existing images into completely new visuals. It's popular because it's easy to use, fast, and allows users to create unique content without advanced editing skills. Now let's get started. First, go to the Perchance AI website and make sure you're logged into your account by entering your email address and password. Once you're signed in, click on Generators. Here, search for Image to Image and open the generator. Now click on the Upload Image option and select the image you want to transform. Wait for the image to finish uploading. Next, enter a prompt describing how you want the new image to look. Be as specific as possible to get better results. You can also adjust available settings such as art style quality, creativity level, or image dimensions if those options are available. After that, click on Generate. Perchance AI will process your image and create a new version based on your uploaded image and prompt. Once the generation is complete, review the result on the screen. If you're not satisfied with the output, edit your prompt and generate the image again until you get the result you want. When you're happy with the final image, click Download to save it to your device. You can then use the generated image for personal projects, creative work, social media content, or inspiration. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.